Good morning, my dear students. So today in geography class, I am going to give you some introduction or information about some countries which are there in Africa. As you are having a chapter Africa as a continent to study about. So Africa is the second largest continent in the world, and we have already watched the description and explanation about this chapter. In this chapter, I want to give you some specific images of some countries which are there in Africa and which are important one. Like one is explained already in your chapter Ghana, which is a world largest country to produce cocoa. So like this, we are having so many countries in Africa. I want to give a small description through some images and also ask you to mark out some of the important countries which are there in Africa. So start. I am showing the map of Africa to tell you about the location. The dark continent Africa is the second largest continent of the world. It consists of 53 countries. The equator, you can see through this map, passes through the middle of Africa. You can see the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, is passing through the northern part of the continent. And the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, is passing through the southern part of the continent. It is the only continent through which these three important latitudes, 0 degree, 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degrees south, pass through. The continent is bounded by the Indian Ocean on the east, the Atlantic Ocean on the west, the Mediterranean Sea on the north, and the Strait of Gibraltar on the northwest, separating Africa from Europe. The isthmus of Suez connected Asia and Africa in the northeast in the past, but now it has become Suez Canal, which connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. I am showing you some important reasons which are there in Africa. You can see through this map North Africa, West Africa, East Africa, Central Africa and Southern Africa. These are the important reasons of Africa. Africa straddles the equator and encompasses numerous climate areas. It is the only continent to stretch from the northern temperate to southern temperate zones. The majority of the continent and its countries are in the northern hemisphere, with a substantial portion and number of countries in the southern hemisphere. Africa is home to much biodiversity. It is the continent with the largest number of megafauna species, as it was least affected by the extinction of the Pleistocene megafauna. However, Africa also is heavily affected by a wide range of environmental issues, including desertification, deforestation, water scarcity, and other issues. These entrenched environmental concerns are expected to worsen as climate change impacts Africa. Some important countries which are situated in Africa, you can see through this map. The People's Democratic Republic of Algeria is the second largest country on the African continent. It is bordered by Tunisia in the northeast, Libya in the east, Nigeria in the southeast, Mali and Mauritania in the southwest, and Morocco and Western Sahara in the west. You can see the countries which are situated in different part of Africa. This is Africa original map. Now I am showing a map showing the White Nile and the Blue Nile in East Africa. The Nile has two major tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. The White Nile is considered to be the headwaters and primary stream of the Nile itself. The Blue Nile, however, is the source of most of the water, containing 80% of the water and silt. The White Nile is longer and rises in the Great Lakes region of Central Africa, with the most distant source still undetermined, but located in either Rwanda or Burundi. It flows north through Tanzania, Lake Victoria, Uganda, and South Sudan. The Blue Nile begins at Lake Tana in Ethiopia and flows into Sudan from southeast. The two rivers meet just north of the Sudanese capital of Khartoum. Ghana is the world's second largest exporter of cocoa beans after the Ivory Coast. Historically, cocoa production has been the mainstay of the Ghanaian economy, and today cocoa continues to be Ghana's main agricultural export commodity and an important contributor to Ghana's foreign exchange earnings and GDP. I am showing map of Accra, which is the important port situated in Ghana. A virtual guide to Ghana, formerly known as the Gold Coast, a country in Western Africa just north of the equator, situated between Côte d'Ivoire and Togo and bordered by Burkina Faso in north and by the Gulf of Guinea, Atlantic Ocean in south. 70% of the world's cocoa beans come from 4 West African countries: Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, and Cameroon. The Ivory Coast and Ghana are by far the 2 largest producers of cocoa. Together they cultivate more than half of the world's cocoa. By showing this map, I asked every student to mark these all countries in the map of Africa, in political map of Africa. I have already explained some important countries and whatever is there, just like Nile, Ghana, and about the ports, etc.